Euroform was originally a furniture manufacturer and a manufacturer of two-pack painted kitchen doors. We're based here in Newcastle, in the Hunter region. We've got good access, we're about 2 hours from Sydney. Today, Euroform manufactures cabinets, stone benchtops and the two-pack kitchen doors, and we just offer a total solution to the building industry. Our customers predominantly are project builders, commercial builders, apartment builders, and also wholesale cabinet makers and kitchen manufacturers. So we supply a lot of kitchens to kitchen manufacturers that are looking for extra capacity. This site would be one of the big milestones. So originally 3 separate sites, a benchtop business in Cardiff, the factory manufacturing furniture in Cardiff, and our painted door business. And then probably 2009, 2010 when we all merged here. Originally we were running 3 separate routers and they weren't integrated, and then we implemented a storage system to integrate a 4th router as well as the current 3. And then a couple of years later we realised the benefits of that, and then we implemented 2 more CNCs with another storage system. And then there's quite a nice beam saw and BHX drilling line out there, which gives us some good flexibility for commercial project work. In the other divisions it would be the spraying and our robotic spraying, and in our stone division it would be our automated stone line as well for cutting of stone. I think the storage system gives us the flexibility to use the different machines for their different capabilities. Some have more drilling heads than others. Some are, like I said, set up for doing doors, so have different tooling, and we're able to manage that via the storage system because we can tell the machine where we want to machine different types of componentry. We're also coordinating our two-pack painted doors that we also manufacture. They're also coming out of the same machine shop. That's why we've got 2 storage systems. So one of the storage systems is specialised for doing routing of MDF doors, and then at the end of the process we also coordinate the benchtop and the benchtop installation for the client. We predominantly use the nesting machines because of so many small jobs. So it's easy to sort, I think it's faster, you can have more flexibility. The beam saw, we will isolate, jobs within jobs. So we may have a contract for kitchens and wardrobes and bathrooms, and there potentially is a vanity that's the same 100 times. So then we could use the beam saw for that, or a wardrobe, we would do the same. We would use the beam saw for the ability to produce lots of panels fast that are consistently the same. But generally in a kitchen or in a lot of custom-made joinery that's check measured, it's easier to use the Nesta for the flexibility of the sizing. Reliability was the main reason why we switched over to Homag. Constant breakdowns and frustration. We started with 1 Homag machine, it proved to be a better decision, and then we just continued buying more of the same line of equipment.